Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to use B12's scheduling feature. By the end, you'll know how to connect your calendar, set your availability, create appointment types, and add a scheduling form or page to your website. Scheduling makes it easy for clients to book time with you directly from your website. Instead of emailing back and forth, they can see your availability, pick a slot, and confirm instantly. Once an appointment is booked, it automatically appears on both your calendar and your client's calendar, and you'll both receive email confirmations. Let's start by connecting your calendar. Log into your B12 account and go to Scheduling in the left sidebar. Under Connect Your Calendar, click Get Started, then select Connect. Select your calendar provider, Google, Outlook, Exchange, Office 365, or iCloud, and sign in. When prompted, grant permission to view and manage your events, then continue. Once connected, scheduled events will be included directly on your calendar. Next, let's set your time zone and define when clients can book with you. Under Scheduling, open Availability and confirm your time zone. B12 usually detects it automatically, but it's best to double-check. You can toggle availability on or off for each day, or enable 24-hour booking if your business runs all day. You can also add specific time blocks if your business opens and resumes on specific hours. If you have at least one client engagement seat, you can add multiple appointment types. These define each meeting's details, how long it lasts, where it happens, and who attends. Go back to the Scheduling tab and click Appointment Types. You'll see a few default types you can edit, or click Add Type to create a new one. Enter a name for your appointment, then set the duration. Choose the location, whether it's a video call, phone call, or in-person meeting at your office. Video calls will automatically have a virtual meeting created that gets linked to the event. You can also select single or multiple team members who can join. If you select multiple team members, all selected members must be available for the meeting to be scheduled. If you select a single team member, the appointment will be booked with the team member who has the most availability. Under Team Members, add the individuals you want to include in the meeting. Only team members with client access can be included. Under Advanced Settings, you can customize availability for that appointment type, add buffers, and set the maximum number of appointments per day. Once your calendar, availability, and appointment types are set up, it's time to add scheduling to your website. B12 automatically includes a scheduling page where clients can book appointments. You can access it directly under Scheduling pages. From here, you can customize your appointment section. You can now link this page to a button in one of your pages. Go back to the main menu. Select Website, then Pages. Go to the page, then select the section. In the left sidebar, scroll to Collection Links, then click Add New Link. Enter the text, for example, Contact Us. Change the link type to Contact Form. Under Links to, select your form. You can also choose whether you want it to open in a new tab, appear as a link, or be a button. If you want to add scheduling to a different page, go to the page where you want the form to appear, click Add Section, and select Scheduling from the list. Choose your preferred layout, then click Continue. To adjust the form settings, click Form Details. From here, you can change the title and edit form fields. To select or change the appointment type, click the Appointment Type drop-down under Select a Date and Time. Once you're happy with your setup, click Publish in the top right corner. Your scheduling form or page is now live, and clients can start booking appointments directly from your website. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.